Miami. Hot. I can't even open my eyes. So I'm having a short trip to Miami. I'm going to the gym, just going out, shop, simple things, simple life. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I did not even give a full update. I just kind of jumped right in. I was in Miami. Today is Friday and I got here last night in Miami. I'm in a sauna. It's kind of like a family quick getaway. I went for my cousin's birthday. So like this weekend, I don't have like a planned itinerary. I'm kind of just going with the flow. So I'm in a sauna. I worked out. We'll probably go shopping today later and like to the beach. But kind of just like a mini getaway and just to relax and kind of just, I'm going to Miami, why not? My trip here was fine, but like, I don't know, like I made the mistake of flying Spirit. Don't know why I would do that, but you know, if you guys don't flying Spirit or JetBlue, if you think you're gonna carry in your bag, they're gonna make you pay for it. Your carry-on bag that goes in the overhead. So just know that if you decide to go one of those airlines, just spend the money and just go somewhere else. But yes, I had to pay for my bag, so that was disastrous. And I ended up going to like some party in Fort Lauderdale that wasn't my cup of tea. So that's not gonna be in this vlog. But yeah, just come with me, relax, chill, you know, just vibe. We out here in Miami, about to go to the beach. Little boat ride today. Yeah. Way to our party cruise ship, running late. So as we see us running, so we're at like the port in Miami. Look at me racing. I'll show you guys. But it is hot, humid hot out here. Raining. Our party cruise is over. We had so much fun. Now we're going back to our Airbnb and change and just probably go out on Miami Beach tonight. But it was so much fun. I do recommend. I thought it wasn't going to be so much fun, but it ended up being such a good time. They keep the party size minimum, so it's not so bad. So it won't be, oh my God, I dropped my towel. It won't be so bad with people on the party cruise, but it was fun. You go with a little crew and your family. It's such a good time. So probably gonna go back to Airbnb and change and probably go out to Collins for the night. So today we're going to the Miami Design District. Well, we're in the Miami Design District. Yesterday, after our little boat trip, we were supposed to go, well, I was supposed to go out. Did not happen. This is when I felt like officially old. I fell asleep. But we're back today. Want to go to Gucci and just see what's around. I've never actually been to the Miami Design District in Miami. So I'll take you guys along with me, see if I get anything cute. Let me show you guys around. So we just left Burberry. My cousin's got bags. Yes, everybody got bags. I want to go to Valentino, see what I can find. Gucci was trying to play me, but I'll tell you that story later. So off to Valentino. Left Gucci. We're gonna get brunch. Wait till I show you guys. I finally got the bag. I'm so excited. Morning, guys. So today wraps up my day, well, my weekend in Miami. It was literally 2 days short. Last night I didn't even get to update you guys because we were running late for the dinner reservations, but we went to dinner at Prime Italian. That was really good, and I was just aimlessly walking around until I was just too exhausted to do anything. But I am tired. I didn't go out last night because it's either dinner or going out. I can't do both. Now I'm getting old. But that wraps up my trip in Miami. I'm going back now. I'm literally going to my Uber, but I will do unboxing for you guys for my Gucci bag when I get home. And yeah, that wraps up my trip. I am back in New York. Yeah, back in New York. It was like the shortest, like quick little trip to Miami, but it was so much fun. I had fun with my family. Nice and relaxing. Even though it was short, it was a good short because I was spending so much money. Like at the pandemic costs have increased. It's expensive to go outside. You spend so much money, but I digress. So let me show you guys my Gucci unboxing of the Dionysus bag. Let me get my braid together. So let me show you guys. So of course I got on the plane with all this extra baggage and all these fancy things, but I came with a box, another box, because I just wanted to be extra. Then packaging. Then it came all wrapped. Look at the wrapping, guys. I don't even want to unwrap it. But I'm gonna show you guys, like, of course, I'm gonna like unwrap it so I can show you guys. But I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you why I got this bag, which I'm even more excited about. So give me 2 seconds. Okay, so let me show you guys the bag. So if you watched my vlog where I went to the Poconos, you saw that I had my eye on this bag and I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it. But ever since I went to the Poconos and came back, I've been thinking about it. And I was like, oh, I need a good reason to buy it. So I didn't tell anybody, but I finally am monetized on YouTube. So as my monetization gift for myself, I was like, you know what? I'm getting this bag. So I was like, I know I'm going to Miami. Let me pick it up there. The tax will be cheaper and I can get it there and it'll just be perfectly fitting. The Gucci store was awesome. I forget my sales associate's name. I can't think of it on top of my head, but he was awesome. So if you guys go to the Miami Design District, check him out. I literally can't think of the name right now, but he was awesome. They didn't have much of a wait when I went in Miami Design Districts. When we first went, they weren't really open, but when I went back, he helped me. I kind of knew what I wanted. They had some other bags that I was looking at, but I just knew that I wanted to get this one because it's perfect for now and it's perfect for the fall, and it's just a classic. And I got the, I think it's the medium Dionysus bag. So let me show you guys. I will never be able to tie that again. Ugh. And let me tell you, if you're traveling, just be prepared to just bring yourself, because they're going to charge you for everything to get on the plane. But it comes in a little Gucci duster bag. Let me open it. It's taking so long. It's wrapped so good. Wow, I won't be able to open this myself. So it's in this duster bag. He did tell me in Miami they wrap up the bags very well because it's so humid, and they don't want the bags to get like affected in the back room. So like literally it was like wrapped twice and had like paper and just all kinds of things in it. But yes, this is her. I'm so excited. So the sales associate did tell me they have this bag, like a new collection where they have like some of the floral on it, like some different designs, because they were bringing back the collection for, it was the fashion store I went to. So I didn't really like that. I knew I wanted to have this one. And also like some of the other models have like, I wanted the more neutral color here so I could wear it with anything, but some of them have like the black here, or I even saw it in like the pink kind of being like right here. But I wanted this one. This one along with the smaller one is the same price, but I just wanted the larger one. It's so funny. I don't think I included it in the vlog today, but like, but Gucci wasn't open, so I went to YSL first with my cousins, and when we went to YSL first, I was like, should I get the Ruby Gauche tote? And like I was gonna get that over this, but then I'm like, no, I want a bag, so let me get this, and then that'll be next on my wish list. But I loved it. It's perfect. It's the perfect size. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna wear it with what I have on today. This clasp here, you kind of go like this and open it, and I'll show you guys inside. The inside, it has like double, so I can fit like pretty much anything that I would take with me I can fit with. But I kind of like the size that it's not too big where I wouldn't want to wear it on like a night out, but it's not too large where it's like a tote bag where if I'm not staying anywhere or shooting that I wouldn't take it. But I love it so much. It was my little gift to myself, and has a little flap here, and I'm obsessed and I'm excited. And it has this here, this chain, so you can kind of wear it longer. You can kind of wear it shorter, which is really cute. And I kind of like, even though this is like silver here, and then the chains are silver here, I feel like I can wear it with like anything. It doesn't matter, because I'm a person who actually like mixes gold and silver, so it works for me. But I'm super excited about it. I'm super happy, and if you guys stayed all the way to the end of this video, thank you guys so much for all of your support. Like, I never thought I would achieve this like in a year. So thank you for watching my channel, subscribing. If you're new here, please subscribe. But yeah, your girl's monetized. So if you guys are not subscribed, subscribe. Be sure to like this video. Let me know what you think of my new bag, y'all. You like it? I gotta name her. But leave a comment, like this video, and until next time, you guys, be safe and be well. Bye.